Again, wow, the verdict is in. In my other video, I talked about Johnny Depp's favorable verdict, wherein the jury found in favor of Johnny Depp for the 3 defamatory statements that Amber Heard made against him. The jury also awarded Johnny Depp with $10 million of compensatory damages and $5 million of punitive damages, but because Virginia has a law that caps or limits punitive damages to $350,000, Judge Ascarati had to lower the $5 million punitive damages down to $350,000 by law. So now let's break down Amber Heard's special verdict form. The first statement at issue with Amber Heard's countersuit against Johnny Depp is this: Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. The jury answered no to this question. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? They answered no, so they didn't have to answer any of this question and could move on to number 2. Before we talk about statement number 2, let's talk about statement number 3, which is: we have reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp. The jury found that Amber Heard lost on this one and she did not prove all the elements of defamation. Now let's talk about statement number 2, because the jury actually found in favor of Amber Heard for this statement. It reads quite simply: this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt didn't do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got to their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and a publicist, and then placed a second call to 911. The jury found that Amber Heard met all of the elements of defamation and answered yes to this and answered yes to everything else. What stood out about this statement for me is this phrase, under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then they placed a second call to 911. I actually didn't think that there was a strong evidence to support that they did all of that under the direction of a lawyer or publicist. But the jury believed that Amber Heard met her burden of proving defamation as to the entire statement above, and I respect the jury decision. Because the jury found in favor of Amber Heard for the second statement, they had to award compensatory damages. The jury awarded Amber Heard with $2 million of compensatory damages and $0 of punitive damages. I'll explain the damages information in my next video. Follow me for more.